Uh-huh. Now the teaching on yoga begins. Yoga is the settling of the mind into silence. Namaste Padmasana.
Now Kiera is preparing to go into the full bridge pose. Yep, there she is. Now she's preparing to go into the full lotus posture. Once in the lotus position, not the half lotus, once in the full lotus position, she's placing her hands in reverse namaste and bending into the yoga seal. The yoga seal.
Namaste.
Whether it's inside a church or in a temple, there are always magnificent beings looking to find their truth and walk more fully in their power, and it is my great, great privilege to help them.